Hey guys, Jessica here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my absolute favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe.
These cookies are super soft and delicious with just the right amount of sugar and a little bit of spice. So if you like chocolate chip cookies, then you will definitely want to give this recipe a try. You will want to start off by mixing all of your dry ingredients together first in a bowl. Mix it up well and then set the bowl aside. In another bowl, you are going to mix up your wet ingredients. Mix that all up really well and now add your flour. Once that is thoroughly mixed, you will add a cup of chocolate chips. You will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop your cookies onto a cookie sheet and then pop them into the oven. You'll bake these for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges of the cookies are starting to brown. Remove from the cookie sheets and allow to cool, and then enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you give this cookie recipe a try on the upcoming holidays. And let me know down in the description box below if you try the recipe and how it turns out for you. So I better get back to cooking dinner, and I will see you guys in a later video. Ta-ta!